Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your email notifications on Discord. So whether you want to enable a certain kind of notification or disable them, then you need to check this video out, guys, because I'm going to show you the different kind of notifications that you can enable or disable. So once you sign into your Discord, all you have to do is just click the user settings gear in the lower left hand side and scroll down and find notifications and click on that. Now, if you scroll down under this section, you will find a section that says email notifications. Here they are. And you have communication. So you can, let's say, basically turn this on or off. By default, it's on. So you receive email for missed call, messages, and even message digest. If you want to receive email for that, you can keep it on. Otherwise, if you don't want to clutter your mailbox, you can simply disable this as well. You have social emails as well, announcements and updates. This is currently turned off, but if you want it, you can enable that. Tips email, this is turned off. These are the ones that can easily spam you with all of those emails, and I understand why these are turned off by default, but guess what? If you want them, you can enable them. Recommendations emails, you have it here. You can enable or disable this as well, and that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and let's say manage those different emails that you would receive from your Discord. So if you're looking for how to manage this, if you're looking forward to enable or disable them, this is where you go. Just go ahead and click the user setting gear, notifications, and on the bottom here you have all of those email notifications, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.